my first time.
I see. Well, do you want to take a full argument, or are you thinking of taking a course?
Well, what would be the cost?
Well, it's £1 for a 5-minute argument, but only £8 for a course of 10.
Well, I think it's best if I start with the one and see how it goes from there.
Fine, I'll see who's free at the moment. Mr. DeBakey's free, but he's a little bit conciliatory. Yes, try Mr. Barnard. Ring 12.
Thank you. Is this the right room for an argument?
I told you once.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
When?
Just now.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You didn't.
I did.
You didn't.
I'm telling you, I did.
You did not.
I'm sorry, is this the 5-minute argument or the full half hour?
Just the 5 minutes.
Just the 5 minutes? Thank you. Anyway, I did.
You most certainly did not.
I'm telling you, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You didn't.
I did.
You didn't.
I did.
You didn't.
I did.
This is not an argument.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. It's just contradiction.
No, it isn't.
It is.
It is not.
You just contradicted me.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No, I didn't.
You did just then.
Nonsense.
Oh, this is futile.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. I came here for a good argument.
No, you didn't. You came here for an argument.
An argument isn't just contradiction.
Well, it can be.
No, it can't. An argument is a connected series of statements intended to establish a proposition.
It is not.
It is. It isn't just contradiction.
Look, if I argue with you, I must take up a contrary position.
Yes, but it isn't just saying, no, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. Argument is an intellectual process. Contradiction is just for automatic gainsaying of anything the other
It
person
is not.
says. It is.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is.
Thank you.
What?
That's it. Good morning.
But I was just getting interested.
Sorry, the 5 minutes is up.
That was never 5 minutes just
I'm
now.
afraid it was.
No, it wasn't.
Look, I'm not allowed to argue anymore.
What?
If you want me to go and argue, you have to pay for another 5 minutes.
But that was never 5 minutes just now. Oh, come on. Oh, this is ridiculous.
I told you, I'm not allowed to argue unless you pay.
All right, there you are.
Thank you.
Well, what? That was never 5 minutes
I
just
told you,
now.
I'm not allowed to argue unless you pay.
Well, I just paid.
You did it.
I did.
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 You
I
did
did.
it.
I
You
did.
did it. You did it.
I don't want to argue about
Well,
it.
I'm very sorry that you didn't pay.
Well, if I didn't pay, why are you arguing? Gotcha.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have. If you're arguing, I must have paid.
Not necessarily. I could be arguing in my spare time.
I've had enough of this.
No, you haven't.
Oh, shut up.